Greeting, Mark Brownie. We're going to be looking at how we can insert a photo, put it right into the middle of this paragraph here. Very important. How we're going to do that? Right? Insert and put it in the paragraph. Yes. So what we wanted to do, we want to come up to the tab, click on the insert tab. Now when you click on the insert tab right here, then you will see right here a picture. You can find that down. It give you a device, stock or online. So I'm going to go to my device. I'm going to click. So you're going to bring up the window right here. Right, you can select the desktop right here. Notice, click all folders, and then click right here. So I can actually come right here and I can extend this window here. So in the meantime, I'm looking at photo that I can actually put into the middle of it. All right, so in the meantime, I'm looking at photo. All right, I'm going to choose this one. Click on insert. But if you notice, photo actually cover. It's not in the middle. Right, what I wanted to do to get it in the middle, wrap text. You can right click right here, go down to wrap text, and notice right up here is online, is square, is tight, is short, right here, top and bottom and text. Otherwise, you can come right up here in the ribbon and click right here. So what we want to focus on, and notice the same thing that we see earlier around here, we want to focus on the red tight. Now when you click on the red tight, now you can always put the cursor in one of the end like this and scroll it down. And notice, as soon as you do that, the word start to get in the middle. Right, so you want to get it much smaller. Just like that. Remember, here what we're doing is to put it in the middle. Right, you notice, I click it again. We're going to come right up here. We're going to give it a nice little formatting. Notice if you come like this and put this right here, notice a different format. Just like that. If you notice, when I click right here, notice the word come right around it like that. You can actually carry it up just like that. I can also carry it back down like that. I can also shape it up some more. Just like that. You notice the word is right around. If I carry it back down like that. Right, so this is where you actually insert photo in the middle of a paragraph. You can actually carry it up where you want it. Right, very important right there. Notice is all the words see right around it. So you can actually format it just like that. So thanks for watching. See you in the next video.